Friends, welcome to Sky Crypto channel. This video I will share you less important updates about Vita Inu coin, its price prediction to see a mega balloon, and friends the reason why I'm holding 668 million Vinu coins since 2022. Okay, since last 3 years I'm continuously holding Vinu coin. I'm still not sell any Vinu yet, and what is my target for Vita Inu coin? What is my market cap target for Vita Inu coin? That I will sell out my all these holdings that I'm holding since 2022. So videos be very special, very important. You have to just for the complete here. Stress Vinu right now 44% pump in last 24 hours. This is good. Right now the crypto market is dumping, but Vita needs Vita Inu is almost 44% pump here. Current price up is 7 times $02, and charge is looking good. Last 30 days performance now good, and friends, $18.3 million market cap and $13.5 million trading volume in last 24 hours. And this is BNB ecosystem dog theme meme coin, because in crypto market we have mostly dog theme meme coin in Ethereum chain and Solana chain, but this meme coin is in BNB chain and very old meme coin. Okay, you can see friends, as I'm already holding this coin since 2022, but this meme coin was launched 1 year before that. Okay, you can see in 2021. Okay, all-time high price was 6 months ago. Okay, 0.7 times $0.73, but I did not sell out my Vinu coins at this price because I know this coin has potential to do something amazing. And for 60 all-time low price was on 0.8 times $0.3 3 years ago, November 19, 2021. So they all meme coins just like Baby Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, and Doge Loan Bars 565% up in is all-time low only. And for 60 DWF left portfolio investing here, dog theme meme coin, Binance Spot, Alpha Light. So this is good. And already listed on major central exchanges just like Bybit has listed already this coin, KuCoin has listed, CoinX has listed, MEXC has already listed this coin, Gate.io has listed this coin. So this is good, and maybe in this year we can see many other major central exchange listing for this coin also. If not have Gate.io and MEX exchange account yet, I already provide you both central exchanges, links in description. You can join both central exchanges. 161,000 followers for this meme coin. I can see friends number 2021, and almost 4 years for this meme coin, and is still active in crypto market. Is still trading volume is $13 million and 161,000 followers for this meme coin. So this is really good. I can see friends for 6 minutes ago they have posted here, and 14 hours ago. So this is really good, and maybe you can see friends list Vinu on Binance. Okay, maybe it's possible because Baby Dogecoin was listed on Binance Exchange last year. We saw Baby Dogecoin was on other BNB ecosystem meme coin just like Venu. So maybe it's possible that Venu can be next listing for Binance. Also, it's possible. It's not like this is impossible or something like that. But friends, this is possible, and you can see another DEX listing for Venu recently. So no doubt social community is good and number of followers are amazing friends. This is really good. And now my price prediction for Reno is that it is current market just 18 million. But friends, this stock theme meme coin, this BNB ecosystem coin has potential to the next $1 billion market coin. Maybe up to $1 to $3 billion market in this year's super cycle mega bullion, because still lots of Centlex and listing left for Vino. Maybe it's possible that we can see Vino listing on many other tier 1 Centlex exchanges, and in this year's super cycle mega bullion we can see Vino up to $1 to $3 billion market. At that time, I'm going to sell out my all Vino that I initially show you in my trust wallet that I'm holding since 2022. Since last 3 years, I did not sell out any Vino coin because my market cap target for Vino is up to $1 to $3 billion. Okay. And let's see what's happening, because the meme coin is possible they can reach 1 to 3 billion also, and still we are 2% down than its all-time high also, and maybe its new all-time high could be at 0.5 times 07 $38. Maybe with Vino can kill two more zeros, and in this year mega balloon. By your price prediction for Vino, are holding Vino or not? You can must comment down below.